Now let's dig into a little bit more into what actually is a database upgrade. As you may already know, a relational database is backed up by something called the data dictionary. This dictionary contains the definition for every object on the database, and you can see it as the metadata. When we upgrade, we are executing a set of scripts that will either create, modify, or drop dictionary objects that will add performance improvements, better security, or add new features. Each script is carefully created by us, and each one of them is executed on a very specific order. The upgrade is split into something that we have denominated upgrade phases, having now 108. The total number of scripts run will depend on the components installed on the database. We first start by recreating the very basic structure of the database, like the actual SQL core, to finish with the packages used by the database components like Java, Spatial, Apex, and so on. Once we have finished with the upgrade of every component, we consider that the database upgrade has finished. You can find a file called upgsummary.log that will show you what is the actual time that it took to operate every component. We invest a lot of time looking for ways to decrease the total amount of minutes that it takes to operate a database, because we understand that every minute of a database being offline matters. That is why we have found ways to execute some parts of the upgrade in parallel. If you take a look to the upgrade log, you will find that some of the scripts run for every component are run in parallel and others are run in serial fashion. This is still an ongoing research area for us at Oracle, and although we have done a great progress, we are always looking for new ways to execute the scripts in a way that they will take less time to run. Every upgrade, around 1.5 million of SQL statements are run. Every release, we perform an analysis over the statements that are run to understand what are the statements that are taking the most time and see how we can improve them. So here you are seeing how the actual timing for each statement run during the upgrade looks like. Now, how do you think that the CDB upgrade process works? Yes, you are right. It is about the same thing, but this time the tasks previously described are executed for every container on the CDB. This means that we are going to perform the upgrade for CDB root, PDB seed, and the rest of the PDBs. And as you can imagine, the plot for the timings will be the same, but this time we will get one for every container.